So what's going on?
Nothing. Oh, I'm just crying a little bit.
How come you're crying?
Because it looks so good.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Extreme Daily Drivers. I got my little partner here today, Kelly, and this is a huge video.
Yeah,
huge video.
Big time.
We are going to do coilover suspension, and we're putting on wheels and tires. So this thing is actually going to be a rolling chassis once again, and we're going to roll it out into the driveway. So we're super excited about that. So let's go over the things that we got.
Yeah.
And throw it on the car. So as you guys know, if you've been following this channel, we have had these wheels and tires for several weeks.
Just sitting here.
Just sitting here, and man, are we dying to get them on the car and actually show them to you. But
not right now.
Not right now. For right now, we're going to show you our suspension that we got. This is CX Racing set of coilovers that we got from cxracing.com, link down below. They were about $650 shipped, and the reason I went with this company is, oh, it's heavy, is because this is the same suspension that I run on my XB, and I really, really like it. So these things come fully assembled, which is awesome. They have a nice new, look at that, nice new shock boot in there, nice uppers, and they protect the threads there with some rubber. They come with nice, shiny hardware. Check this stuff out. Oh, check out that shiny hardware that's in there. Obviously, some hooks to adjust the ride height, and also these are adjustable as far as dampening. So check it out, guys. This is what we removed. kind of a mismatched set of struts and coilovers for whatever reason. We got 2 eBay coilovers and we got 2 normal kind of traditional spring and strut setups here in the back. So what do you guys think of the new setup, huh? Pretty darn sweet. These things are really beefy. We actually didn't adjust the ride height at all because we're about to throw some wheels and tires on it in 1 second, put it on the ground, and then we'll see if it needs to be raised or lowered depending on how the car sits. But enough putting off showing you guys the wheels and tires. Check these things out, man. So if you guys don't know, these are Cosi K1s. We got these from Tire Rack with some awesome tires on here. These are Dunlop Durezas, the DZ102s, I believe they are. But anyway, man, these things have fantastic reviews. Never used them myself, but these are really good kind of mix of street and kind of aggressive. What is it, an ultra summer tire? I think that's what it's called. Do you remember?
No. I don't.
Anyway, I think that's what this thing's labeled as here in Florida. That's what we need. So real excited to get these guys on here. But these are 15 by 7 and they're plus 22. So we should have an awesome, awesome offset once we throw them on here. So enough talking about it. Let's finally get these on the car and get this car on the ground.
Let's do it.
One last thing I wanted to show you guys. You knew we just weren't going to throw on some ugly, stupid lug nuts. These are actually the Gorilla lug nuts. I believe I got these off Amazon. I'll put a link down below. I can't remember where I got them, but there'll definitely be a link down below if you want to pick some of these up. These are the kind of spline fitting kind, and they come, of course, with this key. So really cool, nice little touch that will match. Yeah, it matches our valve stem, huh? How rad is that? So what's going on?
Nothing. Oh, I'm just crying a little bit.
How come you're crying?
Because it looks so good.
You did such a good job. You're so cute. Oh. So should we show you the car that she's crying over or what?
Oh, goodness, I'm like a wreck.
Check it out, guys, huh? Check it out. This is why my wife's crying. Is look at this thing, dude. It's starting to come together for real. Oh my goodness. Look at that. We didn't even touch the height of these coilovers. We verified that they were the same height, you know, front to rear, and we just put them on. And I'll tell you what, I don't think anything needs to change. I mean, as far as ride height goes, I mean, there's no one sitting in this car right now. These obviously haven't been broken in or anything like that. But I don't know. I don't really think it needs to go any lower. Dude, look at that, huh?
Yeah, looks good.
I'm sorry the car's in the shade, guys, but I'm also not sorry because it's not that hot since it's not in the shade. But what do you guys think? Comment below. Let us know if this is the coolest Miata you've ever seen in your life or not. And
Spoiler, it is.
spoiler, it is the coolest Miata ever made. But yeah, look, the hard work is finally showing up here. Look at that, those nice brakes coming through on the black, those cool lug nuts. So cool, so cool. I don't know, man. I say we're pretty happy with it, right?
Yeah, I'm very happy with it.
Well, you did a great job. So anyway, guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. I think next week we may do an XB video. We'll see, because we got family coming next weekend, so we're not gonna really work on the Miata all that much. But
could use a little break too.
we could use a little break, yeah. Anyway, guys, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Share this on social media.
Don't
Right?
share me crying.
Don't share her crying. And we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
See ya.